Hey guys, so we're about to go apartment hunting. Now it's time for us to renew our lease, and now we have a decision to make whether we will stay or leave. So we just wanted to shop around to be sure in our decision whether to stay or leave. So we're about to go to Brooklyn Heights, and then we have a few other apartment tours lined up. So super excited to show you. Let's go.
The first two apartments we're looking at are in DUMBO, Brooklyn. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Brooklyn, so you'll find a lot of abandoned factories that were converted into lofts. Typically, that means there's a lot more character in these apartments and they have really unique features. We're currently looking for a 2-bedroom because I work from home and it would be so nice to have my own office space that I can close the door and act like it's a real office. So hopefully we can find that. This is another apartment in DUMBO. It used to be a factory too, and they renovated it into lofts, and I really loved the layout, but it was a bit messy, obviously, because they're still working on the apartment as we're inside. That's kind of what you see a lot when you're apartment hunting. People are just scrambling, you know, trying to get the person to rent. I really love the windows. They're an absolute dream, but it was on the ground floor, and I felt like that might be a safety issue. If I had this apartment, I probably would swap this room, which is the bedroom because it's brighter, with this room, which is supposed to be the home office.
Presentation went really well. I'm really happy about it. I was very nervous. And it is Monday morning, so that was very tough. On an apartment touring front, we have been looking at a few apartments. I think it's going to be hard to find an apartment like the one we currently have. I don't want to throw away our apartment because we want an extra bedroom or because we want a home office. Ideally, I think I would like to build a home office in this space if we can't find an apartment with enough character. We put so much effort and work into this apartment. I'm having a hard time picturing us leaving. Moving is hard, change is hard. So we shall see.
Around waiting on my apartment appointment. It's like a loft and we were looking for a larger space, so 10 minutes early, surprisingly. And it's a beautiful day, so great day for a walk. This was someone's private condo that they were renting out, so they still had all their stuff there, but I guess they're moving out of the city and they just needed to rent it. But my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. This living room was massive. It was insane. I loved this bedroom too because it had such a beautiful window that I could put a desk under for a home office. Entering the bedroom, there was some really unique closet space too, which was awesome. The bedroom was a bit messy because obviously the person's moving, so they're getting all their stuff out, but it was a nice bedroom.
I just got back from that apartment tour and the apartment was so large. It was in Carroll Gardens, which is a really cute old school like Brooklyn neighborhood. Very family vibes, but I really liked the apartment. The windows alone, the lighting in the bedroom, the lighting in the living room. It would be like an extra $1,000 to rent that apartment in comparison to the apartment we're currently in. So I just don't know if it's in the cards for us, but I really did like that apartment. I feel like leaving our current neighborhood might be really hard because we are so attached to it and we really do love this neighborhood. This is the fit. I wanted to give model off-duty vibes, like just threw this together, like running around, doing errands. So I have these big jeans I got from H&M. This top is from Princess Polly. And then this jacket I got at a store in Soho a couple years ago now, and it's been very, very useful because I wear it a lot in the fall and winter time. And the shoes my husband got me from Nike. I actually like this fit a lot. And then, oh, the bag is from Amazon, $20, so.
I get too many.
You're just eating the sauce?
Yeah, it's good.
Weekends like this remind me why we live in New York City. Rent may be expensive, it might be kind of dirty, the subway might be hard to adjust to, but at the end of the day, it's just so beautiful and there's so much to do here. Living in New York has taught me that it's not just about where you live, but it's also about the community. Brooklyn has such a diverse community and range of neighborhoods that it definitely makes it hard to leave. The ability to walk to the park, spread out a blanket, and just enjoy the view makes me so grateful to live here. We love our current neighborhood so much that we decided to stay. We are so happy to call Brooklyn home. Until next time, now I have some home updates to do.